Welcome, darling.
Don't tell me you are still lying down here when you know that we have an important appointment today.
Please, just give me some time. I'll be through now. Please. Excuse me. What is the problem?
Listen, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry the way I reacted when I came in to see you with your pet. I'm sorry, it won't repeat itself again.
Are you sure?
I'm sure about this. I'm sorry.
Okay. If you're sorry as you said, just promise me you're not going to shout at that boy this time. Sure. Oh, baby, I missed you.
What a cute pet. His name is Sherry, just like my friend Natasha's breath. Some say they're irritating, some say their wishes are wizard, some say they don't even want their prizes. But to me and my friends, keeping pets is one of the most exciting experiences, but not without regrets. This is our story.
Oh, let's go. My sweetie. You guys just free me and my daughter. What kiss is my bestie?
And my darling too.
Are you not see for market buy? No, I want to carry the joint body.
I'm not jealous. My Sherry is the best in the world.
Okay, no argument, please.
But girls, like seriously, these dogs are fake will put us for a while. My boyfriend is raising eyebrow already.
I beg. As for me, I don't care if Kiss here put me into hell than to stay with that Kiss.
Please, no go if you go buy your own. Borrow. And that's by the way. You know I'm traveling tomorrow. Please do take good care of Kiss.
Wow, of course I will do. What a good news.
Oh, Roy is back. Please come to the room.
So how are you doing now?
Brenda, I can't say for now.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Brenda, please can you get me a kiss?
Natasha, what you need now is a doctor, not Kiss.
I need kiss.
It's okay. I'm coming.
Brenda,
Yes, dear.
you've been a very good friend. Considering to know you and your fiancé took me in, sheltered me, I'm grateful. But I have one more favor to ask of you.
Anything I can do.
Should anything happen to me, promise me you'll take good care of Kiss. You know I love him so much, even more than my own life.
Of course you know I love Kiss. as much as you do. But stop sounding like this. Nothing will happen to you.
If wishes be horses.
Please stop. Nothing will happen to you. You'll be fine, okay?
Doctor, please. Let's take her back to the hospital. I don't want someone to die in my house. Please, doctor.
Mr. Kafo, like I told you before, her condition is getting critical, which cannot be scientifically defined for now. But I assure you, she'll be okay. She'll be fine. She'll be fine, Mr. Kafo.
Okay, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Just come.
What is it?
Is dying.
What? Natasha? What? I have to call the doctor right now.
Natasha, don't do this to me.
Hello, doctor. Please, I need you right now. Please, doctor, can you come to my house right now? There's an emergency right now, doctor. Please. Somebody's dying right now.
I'm sorry. She didn't make it.
What do you mean, doctor? Oh, Jesus! Now what? Welcome troublesome girlfriend. Forever. Do you want to kill me?
Huh? Do you know, I was even thinking maybe something has happened to you. The way you were calling as if you were in trouble or something.
Girl, my man traveled and I was almost shocked with burden.
Okay. I've come to keep you company. So, what do you have for me?
Name your price.
My prize. Okay, my prize is priceless gold.
What about $1 million? And what's that for?
$1 million? Yeah. Look who is talking. You have $1 million in this house. Like in this house. Hey.
Babe, of course you know I'm a classic babe.
Eh? Please drop this thing, go get me cold water.
Okay. Okay.
You're even talking about being lonely when you have this your thing around.
Kiss is the most wonderful companion I've ever had. Even more than my man.
What rubbish. You have this thing as a companion even more than your man? Gosh. Girl, look, let me tell you. There is nothing to be compared to my man, okay? Not even this thing.
Girlfriend, try a pet dog and you can never regret.
I should try this thing. Please drop this thing, go get me water to drink.
Oh, that's true. Oh.
What? What is it? Hey, come on.
You don't mean it.
Very serious. Roy is at it again. He has given me an option between our marriage.
So, what's your plan? What do you intend doing?
Do you want me to risk my marriage because of a dog? And you know, I promised Natasha to take care of the dog. I'm so confused.
Okay. I guess I have a plan.
Okay?
Rose, you look so ravishing.
Please don't flatter me, please. You're a joker. You're a joker. Or should I say, Mr. Not man enough to mingle with Rose?
Maybe I would say Miss not bold enough to handle Roy.
Oh my God, me! Oh, Roy, please, oh, please. 10 years of friendship, I bet you have a lot to say. That's by the way. When is the seminar ending?
Tomorrow, I'll be with my fiancée because I've missed her a lot.
Oh yeah, that's romantic. She's quite lucky to have you, isn't she?
Yeah, indeed she is. Rose, there is this question I've been meaning to ask, and I feel you might have an answer to that question.
Okay.
Could it be possible for a girl to have sexual intercourse with her pet dog? I mean, sleeping with a dog?
Roy, why did you ask such a strange question?
It's personal. Please answer.
Well, it's very possible. Very possible. If not common with girls of these days. In fact, one of my friends is into it. Yes, she visited me some time ago with her pet dog for some reasons I don't know.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Thank you, honey.
I gave them it's time for celebration.
Not yet. Because my friends are out there at the birthday venue, okay? We have to go meet them.
Oh, it's alright. I guess that after the venue we're gonna come right here.
Of course. They come here and do the right thing.
I guess that should be your girlfriend.
Yeah, she's downstairs.
So
okay?
you're gonna go meet her, right? So I'll be right here waiting for you. I guess that should be your friend.
Yeah.
So you go check
Yeah.
her, then I'll be here
I'm
waiting.
bringing her up.
Oh.
No. Hello, babes. Hello, sweetheart.
Birthday girl. Brenda and I are just in your compound.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming out right now.
Alright. Bye.
Oh. Look at them, come here. How are you? Hi. I'm so sure.
Happy birthday, girlfriend.
Thank you. Thank you. You look good.
Thank you. You too.
What?
I have a birthday gift.
What is it? Oh, thank you. All this for me?
Yeah.
Whoa. Guys, do you know what? This is the best birthday gift ever.
You know what, babes? Let's hurry up for the birthday party. Cindy and Uncle can even give me a play with their cars.
Yeah, you're right. Let me drop my pad, then bring Roy along with me, okay? Come with Roy. Okay? Sweetheart, I'm going to miss you so much.
I'll miss you too, baby. But you don't just worry. I'll be back in 2 days. It's just today and tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay?
Alright. I shake a little bit.
Yeah.
I think I should help her from here.
Honey, I'm still gonna miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Are you serious? Just do have a wonderful day, okay? Just hold this. Let me help you out with this. You know what? Just have a wonderful day, okay?
You too, baby.
Come early because I'm gonna prepare your favorite birthday.
Oh, you're such a darling. Calm down. You take care of yourself.
You too.
Oh.
You're funky.
You take care of yourself.
You too. Puppy, here you are. Come here.
Shit. The document. I don't have this time. Oh gosh.
Honey. You are here.
Yeah, I forgot an important document.
Okay.
And why don't you always give pets a break anytime you're in the bathroom?
Look, honey. Do you know that Keith has been following me around everywhere I go since morning? He wouldn't let me be. Even in the bathroom, in the kitchen, at the store, everywhere. Honey, I'm tired though.
Well, I forgot an important document, okay? I have to hurry now, I don't have much time.
Okay, honey.
Come. Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, honey.
I love you.
Love you too. Kiss, come over. Honey, your early today is quite unusual.
What's the meaning of all this rubbish?
What are you talking about? I don't understand, honey.
You are asking me what I'm talking about? How dare you let this beast, this pet dog, stupid, stinking, irritating pet dog of yours on my bed? I was assuming matrimonial bed. And you stupid get...
Don't you dare lay your hands on my pets, okay?
And now you listen, Violet. It's high time you choose between your stupid pet dog or us. I mean, our future relationship. Oh
my God. I can't stand such height of immorality acts. Ha, Roy, if you see this girl I'm telling you about, she has such an innocent face. You won't believe she will do such a thing. What am I saying? I think I have her picture in my phone. Let me show you. Yes. Here she is. That's the girl I'm telling you about. Do you know her?
Come on, to say something.
Akwawa! 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 Where is this girl? Oh, Adaku, you are here. You promised to join us yesterday, but you failed. I'm so sorry about it. So what about today? Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go.
Hello, girls. How are you? Alright.
Who is this man dressed in a foreign clothes? I've never seen him before. I was told he's a copper and that he's on assignment. He's caring. Anyway, I was also told that he's nice. Whatever, let's just go.
Hello, girl.
Hi.
I think I've seen you somewhere.
Yeah, yesterday afternoon.
Yes, I remember. How are you?
I'm fine.
Can you come to my house later in the day?
Your house? I'm sorry, I can't. I'm having some practice today.
Did I hear you say practice?
Yes, practice.
What for?
We're having a dancing competition with other villages, so we're having some preparation.
Wow, that's nice. Then, I can teach you some dancing steps to win that competition.
You?
Yes, of course.
Teach me. Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Never mind, I'm not interested.
Serious? Okay, if you say so.
Thank you.
I'll be on my way.
No problem. Hey, you said you have a news for me. Yes, hey, do you remember that copper? Yes, I do.
I met him on my way to this room, and he said he has some dancing steps for us.
You amaze me sometimes.
Let's just give him a chance. Who knows?
Then you go alone, because as for me, I'm not going with you.
Whatever.
Action!
I think I'm beginning to like this young man. Thank the gods, he invited me to his house. Who knows? Dancing might turn out to be something else. Adako, we need to make use of this opportunity. Yeah. I need to make use of this opportunity. I think I'm involved.
like a demon, foreign demon for that matter.
Ah, Adaku, you're here already.
Yeah. Miss my friend Akwa.
Akenwa, how are you?
I'm fine, but my name is not Akwa. My name is Akwa.
I'm sorry about that. So, can we start now? Okay, let me just get something out. Alright, we'll start now. So wait, who is going to start the first step? You remember that step I told you about? So how did you see the dance?
What is it?
See, I think I love you.
Are you serious? I already have someone else in my heart.
But you can try me too.
I'm sorry, I can't.
But in case you change your mind, I'll be here for you.
I won't, because I already have someone else.
One more thing. Can you come to my house to cook for me?
Then you have to promise me you won't try anything stupid.
I promise you, I won't do anything stupid, okay?
No problem.
Adak, what are you doing here this morning?
I bought seafood.
Serious? That's so kind of you. Thank you.
No problem. So, can we go inside? Do you have any clothes you want to wash?
Yes, I do. If you insist, let's go. You want to carry it? Adak, how are you?
Fine, thanks.
Where are you off to?
I was actually on my way to your house to go and do this fireworks.
Are you serious? Please, break this file. I want to have a word with you.
Okay.
Why are you doing all this for me?
I think I'm beginning to like you.
Serious? And you're a beautiful girl.
Adako, I didn't see you at the village store today. What happened? And what do you have with that copper?
Nothing too serious, but I think he likes me.
He likes you? Please, use your brain. Better use your brain.
What do you mean?
You know all those civilized people that are fond of using girls and dumping them. So, use your brain.
Come on. I beg you. I beg you, thank you. Akoma, what are you doing here?
I'm having copper
Then why did he send for me?
Why are you looking for me?
Akoma, I came to your house but could not find you. That's why I came here.
Okay, please join me so we can finish soon. So we can go for our practice, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'll help you to carry the bench. Why? Because it was also below.
So tell me about your man.
He's handsome, caring, and hardworking.
I wish to see him someday.
So tell me, you don't love any girl in this village?
I love someone.
Are you serious? Then who is she?
You, of course.
Here you go again.
I'm sorry about it. But you're the only girl I love in this village. But since you are in love with someone else, there's nothing I can do than just move on.
You're a man with wisdom and understanding.
Thank you.
But what about Adako? Don't you love her?
She's a nice girl. I like her. But I've been trying to love her. But it's not working.
Okay, let's go for the practice. We are late already.
So, Akoma is this wicked. First, it was a man I was so much interested in. And now, the copper, whom I even told her about. Akoma. The dance I just began. Fine.
And your friend Akwanwa?
Exactly what I'm about to tell you. A very big one. Akwan is shooting on you with that copper.
What? Are you sure of what you are saying?
I'm telling you the truth. You know what? Don't worry. Whenever they are together, I will invite you. Sit it yourself. Don't worry.
Akwanwa, you are lying to me. Akwanwa, you are lying to me. I saw everything. I saw everything with my eyes.
I am not lying. We have nothing in common. We're just friends.
Akwanwa, I'm so disappointed in you. So disappointed in you.
Uchenna, please come back. I love you. It's not what you say. Uchenna, please come back. I love you.
Get out.
Uchenna, please come back. Uchenna, please come back. Uchenna, please come back. You know what you say?
Please, Ada. I'm not in a good mood.
Why are you crying?
Uchenna is so mad at me. I tried talking to him, but he wouldn't listen.
But why will he just conclude that we are having something in common? Okay, wait. I will talk to him about it.
No, don't worry, to worsen the whole issue. I will try and beg Adaku to help me talk to him.
I'm sorry I made you pass through all this.
You did nothing wrong.
I just pray he listens to Adaku.
I pray so too.
So wipe your tears, okay? Wipe your tears. It's okay.
Adaku, please help me talk to Uchenna. He's saying that I have nothing to do with Copper. We are just friends.
So, how did you get to know about it?
I don't know. I was just dancing and he followed me.
Okay, no problem. I'll talk to you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you.
What are you friends for?
Thank you.
Oh, I'll do for you.
Uchenna! Adaku, what are you doing with my man?
Hey, you, what are you doing with my man?
Is that the threat was to help you?
You never told me you are dating the copper.
Uchenna, so you are cheating on me.
My friend, you started it all.
I have told you 10 number. I have nothing to do with him.
You are a liar. A big one for that matter. And as for you, you will hear from me.
Why are you crying?
I can't do this.
Akwanwa, I know you love me. Why then are you hurting yourself?
I love Uchenna. I can't afford to lose him anyway.
We are just friends. Adaku is just being jealous and greedy. Please, accept Akwanwa here back. She loves you. And I must say you are very lucky having a good girl like her. Please. Come on, let's shout.
I'm so sorry, my love. For not taking your words and for not trusting you. I was just jealous. I love you so much. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Just sit down. Sit down, okay? Sit down. No, yeah. No. You don't miss. You don't miss. You don't miss. You don't. Shut up. Let me. So sorry.
I'm happy you guys are happy now.
Thank you so much.
I have to be on my way now.
Thank you so much. It's okay, stop crying. Stop crying. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was just jealous.
you so much.
What are you doing at the back of my house? You wicked friend. Well, as you can see, I and Uchenna have settled already. So get lost.
Adaku, what are you doing in my house?
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Please, please, please. Leave my house. I don't want to see you in my house for any reason.
I'm sorry, please.
Now leave.
I'm sorry.
I said leave. Leave.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
The next time I see you in this place, see what I will do to you. Nonsense. Okay, wait. This is how I want you guys to do it. Go down, shake your waist. Shake it very well, shake it. Go down. Are you getting it? So that's what I want you guys to do. So, can we go now?